Now I'm going to show you how to put the dimensions of the views following the international standards. So there are some rules that we have to follow. The first thing is to draw the auxiliary lines. The auxiliary lines must measure 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters. And we draw them in the extremes of the figure of the object that we want to dimension. And now the line of measurement, we have to draw 2 millimeters inside, so at 8 millimeters. So I put the ruler like this and count 2 little lines, 1 and 2, and in the other side the same, 1 and 2, and I make the line. Okay, so now it's very important to draw the arrows as the international standard says. So they have to have this shape. Is not correct an arrow like this or an arrow like this. No, or an arrow like this. The correct arrow is with a peak of about 2-3 millimeters and narrower than them, narrower. The number must be in the middle without units because it's something that you can suppose, and in millimeters in this case. Have you seen? Okay, the other ones, if you follow the rules, you can think that to do the auxiliary line of 1 centimeter, but the rule says that we have to put all the dimensions in the same line. So we have to enlarge this line until you find the other one. So at the same line of that. And the other side the same. And to draw the arrow 2 millimeters inside and 2 millimeters inside. And now I have to do the line and do the arrow. And I have to write the numbers in the middle without units. Okay? So we can put more measures, but we have these 2 views. So I think that here it's enough to put these 3 dimensions. And now we are going to put the dimensions here. So there are some difference. It's not the same. If you want to put the dimensions in a side, the rule is the same. We have to do the auxiliary lines on 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters, and 2 millimeters inside to put a mark in order to draw the lines. I can join these 2 marks and I draw the arrows. So the number must be on the line. So I have to turn the paper, and look, if I turn the paper, the number stays on the line, on the line. If I do the auxiliary lines on the other side, you have to do the same process. 1 centimeter, 2 millimeters inside, do a mark to draw the line. I draw the arrows. But the number is not here, always on the line. So always on the line, not under, on. So you have to choose one of them. For example, I choose the other one. You don't need to put in both sides because it's the same dimension. And we can draw this on the top in the same process. And the number. Okay. You always have to put the number of the real measure, not on the drawing measure. But in this case, as the scale is natural, is the same in the plan and outside. But when the scale is different, always you have to put the dimensions of the real measurement. Okay, so the last one should be that. All the information about the dimensions are in these two views. So this is not necessary, but if you want to learn, I show you how to put the dimensions. Here is the same, 1 centimeter of the auxiliary line, and after that 2 millimeters inside, I make a mark, and after that I join these two little marks, and I will have the lines to draw the arrows and write the number in the middle without units. And that's all. Okay, bye.